Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to A/B test titles and thumbnails on YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel, as you can see, this is a small YouTube channel of myself as well. And you want to go ahead and do like a split test for titles and thumbnails. You want to do this. You want to click on content on the left hand side and you will be able to find your videos once you edit them, or let's say you upload a video, you should also have that details available to you. So I'm going to click the pencil icon for one of those videos right here. And so you should be able to find in your YouTube studio on the details section of your video a A/B testing option. It's right below in the section here of the title. And if you click on this, it's going to give you the option here to, let's say, enter multiple different titles. As you can see, this is title 1, this is title 2, and title 3. So you can split test those different titles right here. Previously, you have the option before only at the section where it shows thumbnails, and so you'll have three options here when you upload let's say a basic video with no thumbnail. You'll have the option here to do testing thumbnail, and if you even click the three dots right here, you will see it gives you the option to A/B test thumbnails or change thumbnails, right? But now you have this new feature that allows you not only to test thumbnails but also to test titles. And so if you click there where it's under the title here, you have the title only, which gives you the option to test three titles, and then you have the thumbnail only, which gives you the option to test three thumbnails like what we have previously in the YouTube studio. And now you also have the option to test titles and thumbnails all together. So you can upload a thumbnail and a title, and a different thumbnail and a different title, and another title and a thumbnail. So you can test all three. So if you have a video and you really want to test three different titles, three different thumbnails, or even just two, you can go ahead and enter those title and thumbnails and split test them to see which one works well. And I found this to be very useful because you allow the algorithm to test different audience, to test your audience and see what resonates well, what works well, and it will choose the best one after the test is completed to ensure that you get the most out of your videos and clicks. And that's it. So that's how you can easily go ahead and do a split test of titles and thumbnails on YouTube.